Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your TikTok videos in just a few simple steps. Now let's dive right into it. The first step will be opening your TikTok application, just as you can see me do on my screen. Now the next step is going to be to tap on the plus icon to create a new video. Now when you get here, before you can start recording a video, you get to see where there's speed. Now as you can see, it's on regular speed ×1. If you want this to be faster, you can either put it on ×2 or you can put it on ×3. Now this is super easy. Pick a speed that you want, hit record, and you are all set. Now if this helps you, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.